People are always in search of a holy grail system that can make them money in stock markets. But the sad part is, this thing called holy grail does not exist. Profitable trading is rather based upon three core principles. And if you are a trader and if you want to be profitable in markets, this video is for you. Because if you understand the core meaning of these principles, I guess there's no one who can stop you from making money in stock markets. So without any further ado, let's begin. As I said, profitable trading is based upon three core principles. And if you could understand the meaning of these principles, if you could learn to apply these principles in live markets, there's literally no one who can stop you from making money in stock markets. And I'm not even kidding. So let's understand these principles one by one. So the first one of the lot is probably the most important as well, I guess, and it's called trading psychology. Now, trading psychology is something which gets thrown around a lot on social media sites, especially Twitter. People keep talking about how you need to improve your trading psychology, how you can benefit out of trading psychology, trading psychology, trading psychology, trading psychology. But they never tell you what exactly does that mean. They are just willing to sell their courses, and anything that sounds fascinating helps them sell their courses. So I guess that's it. But trading psychology is the most important aspect based on which trading is based upon. And trading psychology in simple words means your understanding about how market operates, your understanding about how market works. There are a lot of things that can be snapped under this category of trading psychology, like your thoughts about markets, the thought you experience, the thought you encounter when you are trading markets, the emotions or feelings that you have about markets, or the fear, the greed. There are so many things that can be, just put into the category of trading psychology, because that is a huge subject, that's a vast subject. But on a very surface basic level, trading psychology means your understanding of how market works. And this is where most people think that, okay, I know about technicals, I know about this and that, I can make money in markets. But no, that's not how it operates. Having an understanding of how market operates is probably the most important thing of all, in my opinion. I rate it above risk management, technical analysis, and all those things, because if you do not know how the markets are operating, what are you going to do of that technical knowledge? What are you going to do of the risk management? You need to understand markets first, you need to understand their working principles first, and then you can apply your knowledge and technicals and everything, and then you can make money. But if you do not understand what's happening over there, it's literally impossible for you to make money. So number one is trading psychology. I will make another video on trading psychology, because if I talk about trading psychology in this video, it will become 30 minutes long video, and I don't want that. So we'll make another video on this particular topic. But yes, this is important, and this is probably the most important aspect of trading. So the second core principle based on which the profitable trading lies is called risk management. Now I know, yes, risk management again gets thrown around a lot on social media sites, again especially Twitter, and people think risk management is about not losing more than 1% per trade. But you are wrong. It's not about that. Risk management again is a huge subject. It's a vast subject. And on a very shallow level, risk management means that you should have an understanding of why you are losing, number one, where you are losing, number two, and how much you are losing. So risk management means this, and very few people try to understand it in a better way. The best traders in the world are the best risk managers in the world first. Then they become the best traders in the world. So if you do not manage your risk, it's almost impossible to make money in markets. It's impossible to make money. How well you manage your risk in markets defines how well you do in markets. So your risk management basically defines your performance in markets. So that's important. Again, first trading psychology, second risk management. And what is risk management again? The risk management on a very basic level means that you should have an understanding of why you are losing, where you are losing, and how much you are losing. And for this, you need to have a journal to maintain, so you can write down your mistakes and all those things, so you can improve a lot on all these things. And the last aspect, or the last principle based on which the profitable trading lies, is having deep knowledge of technical analysis. So if you do not know about technicals and you jump into the markets, it's again impossible to make money. But the thing is, people think that they know about technical analysis. People study for 2 months and they think they know about technical analysis. People study RSI, people understand MACD indicator, people know about moving averages, and then they think they know about technical analysis. Heck no. I'm talking about deep knowledge of technicals. You must have seen people who literally can predict the upcoming move at a very precise time, and that is possible. It is not, a luck factor that is coming in. Of course, luck is there, but 10%, not more than that. But if you reach a level of understanding of technical analysis where you can accurately predict what's going to happen, then that is what I'm talking about, and you can reach there. That comes eventually with experience. I'm not talking that no one can go there, no one can attain that level. No. Having deep knowledge of technicals basically mean that you should know what the markets are going to do. If the markets are catching you off guard, then that means you are not yet ready. That means that you are still not having the knowledge that market demands. No matter what happens, the thing is, you should never be caught off guard by the market, and that only happens when you have a clear understanding of how technical works. So yes, these are the 3 main and important and core principles based on which profitable trading lies. And if you could understand these and if you could apply these in live markets, I really think it's almost impossible to lose in markets. Like, there's no one who can stop you from making money in markets. It's just very important to understand these 3 reasons first, these 3 principles first, and once you get a hook of them, once you get a grip on them, then I guess you are getting successful. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that relate to trading, revolve around trading, trading psychology, trading success, and everything that you need about trading you will find on this channel. So make sure to subscribe and watch my other videos as well. There's a lot of content over there. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.